So this is the official third episode for this compact notebook to have another operating system. Last time we installed Windows Vista, the other time we installed Windows 10, it was installing Windows 8, and 2 years ago we installed Windows 8. There's some dust in it. Okay, anyway, so this laptop is gonna have another operating system on it, and this time it's now Windows, because Windows is kinda trash. Can you guess what operating system is inside this USB bootable key? Anyway, yeah, let's just plug her right in and start it up. Alright, so here we are. So what happened is that I wiped the drive on this laptop, and now it's... holy cow, so... yeah, here it begins the setup. So what happened is that I completely wiped the disk drive that was inside this laptop. I previously installed Windows Embedded POS Ready 2009 on it, but I couldn't log in for some reason. Instead I just decided to wipe all the content that was inside the drive, and now it's a completely virgin drive. As you guys may have read from the title, I'm currently trying to install Linux Mint, or just Linux, on this laptop, because apparently Linux is good. As I heard. Apparently, yeah. Yeah, so after 15 or 20 minutes of pain, here we are into the desktop. But Linux Mint is not fully installed on this computer, it's only running from the USB boot key. Well, I guess we could install Linux Mint, which is what we're gonna do now, and I'm going to be able to experience Linux, the actual operating system. Okay, so I cannot seem to install Linux Mint on this computer, or at least continue through the setup, for one specific reason, simply because of this window size. I click on let's go, so everything should happen right. I choose my language, but I cannot get past through. Of course you will say, just take the bar, pull it down, and this will be the next button. No, there isn't, and I cannot seem to resize the window in the bottom. I can't, and I can't even maximize it. Look. So yeah, I'm kinda stuck on installing this on the computer, so we'll just do it by the installation key instead. Well, the boot up key instead. Alright, so what can we do on Linux? That is the question. I guess we can load the web browser. Oh wait, my computer is not connected to the internet, and I have no idea if I need the drivers or not. So yeah, that's going to be one more problem. Okay, so I've tried opening Firefox on this thing, but first of all it took forever to load, secondly haven't set up an internet connection, and third, I got the very good surprise that it's not functional. That's what I wanted to say. I have the very cool surprise that it doesn't work. That's so cool. So I have to press on, and the computer doesn't even work. Wait, so I have to wait because Firefox doesn't wanna cooperate. But as you can see, Firefox doesn't work. Great. So I cannot install Linux Mint first because I cannot continue on the setup screen after choosing my language. And now I just want to use Firefox without even installing the operating system on the computer, and it doesn't work. How surprising. At this point I don't even know what to say or what to do. That's just... Okay, so after waiting a little bit, Firefox still doesn't want to cooperate. I should also probably connect this thing to the internet, but considering how laggy it is, I don't feel like, you see, I don't even feel like continuing at this point. Okay, so let me explain how the experience happened. It was so much laggy and slow, and eventually wouldn't respond. I decided to cancel this video and not do it, because really that's horrible. This thing is so laggy and buggy, it just doesn't want to execute the others. The windows are kind of, you know, disformed. Okay guys, it has been a few days later, so in between I went to sleep, and I haven't waking up for like 2 days, I don't know. Yeah, I don't remember what happened in between. But, change plan, I'm not going to install Linux Mint on this laggy computer. I'm going to install another operating system called Poopy Linux. It's basically Linux, but a different version. And yes, I made sure I had downloaded and installed a 32-bit version of this on this bootable USB key. And here we have the Compact Mini 700. There it is, the baby. Okay, yeah, it did not break in between 2 days, so let me put the USB key straight in. Put that thing into the boot menu, F9 key, and okay, here we are. This is basically Bookworm PUB32, and it's booting straight in. So first of all, we're gonna make sure the ISO works before installing it into the computer, and I should probably have checked before making the bootable USB key on how to install Puppy Linux, because I'm kind of stupid. But yeah, first let's make sure the ISO works. As it concerns this, I discovered this operating system thanks to Kukitsun 2007. His link for his YouTube channel will be down below in the description. Yeah, he basically was talking about this operating system because I told him I wanted to run Linux Mint on this computer, but it runs so bad. And so he said, why don't you try Puppy Linux? And I said, hey, why not? So yeah, I started, and here I am using Puppy Linux. So thanks to him for giving me the info, making me know that this operating system works. And on today's video, we're gonna discover Puppy Linux instead of Linux Mint. Hopefully, it should run better than Linux Mint. So yeah, thanks again. Don't forget to subscribe to his YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. So subscribe and leave a like. So it looks like we have a mouse cursor. Okay, it's quite a bit laggy. I think it's because it's starting. But here we are on Puppy Linux. Let's first see how it works, how it goes on this computer. Okay, so it's more or less smooth. There's no lag. Yeah, it's fine. And here we are on the desktop. Okay, so I guess we can try to do something. Yeah, right language, but wrong time zone. Okay, so once the setup is done for Puppy Linux, here we are onto the desktop. And yes, I tried to open the browse application, and that is indeed what I'm thinking. It's a web browser, and we have some sounds loading, which I think is pretty nice. Yeah, it's not connected to the internet. I guess I need the drivers for the wireless card. I don't know, but here we are into the desktop. Also need to plug my mouse. Okay, so right now we are into the Puppy Linux desktop, and it's pretty clean, it's tidy, it's very cool. We have everything, I guess, about CPU usage, 12%. That's absolutely not Windows. And to be honest, yeah, it doesn't consume that much memory. It's fine. Not as much as Windows. So here's what we have on the desktop. We have the File Explorer, we have the terminal, we have the web browser, and we have what represents the modern Samsung Galaxy devices, and a bunch of other things I could say, but of course I won't because I will offend people. So as you can see, we have a pretty tidy desktop with the system performances, and I don't know what these are. We have everything like desktop, system, setup, everything. I guess something that is, oh yeah, instead, yeah, indeed it's Paint. Okay, so I guess we can draw. So yeah, have you seen this? Please subscribe. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Okay, so at first sight, it looks clean, tidy, and maybe perfect for this computer. The UI is pretty good, even though it's not the best UI. There's like better UI, like for example Windows Vista Aereo. But it's not Windows. We're not talking about something from the 2000s. We're talking about a new operating system, just like only connected to the internet. I guess because I need to install the drivers. So that means I have to go back to my computer. Oh my god. Well, guys, I've tried to find the Wi-Fi card driver for this computer, but unfortunately, it's not compatible with Puppy Linux. So yeah, I guess I have to use the computer offline. I mean, a computer without internet is pretty much like a paperweight, it's useless. But since I have no other choice, we're gonna use the offline features and the already integrated applications on this computer. Well, on this operating system. Let's use Paint, because this is the only one thing I can use so far. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, guess what I'm gonna draw. Wow, this is absolutely even worse than I thought it would turn to be. Wow, this is terrible. So yeah, here are my drawing skills. On the mouse. You can check them out on my main YouTube channel. Unless I shut it down, I don't know what to do with the Wii guy, but check out my main YouTube channel. This is where I make most of the job I do with this same mouse. Yes, because I make animations with mouse, I'm such an idiot, but check out my main YouTube channel. Well, how do I delete that? I guess it's that. No. What do I do? Where's the eraser? What else can I do with a computer offline? Let's write a document, I guess. What can I write? What can I write? Oh, you can also draw that one. Heh. Oh my god. Oh my god. No, screw this, I'm not drawing. File. New. Yeah, this is pretty much what I can only do on this computer, so... Yeah, let's use something else. Kinda suck I don't have the Wi-Fi driver for this operating system, because I just have to connect it to the internet and we could do, I don't know, web browsing? What can we do? Yeah, I'm not messing around with Wi-Fi. Multimedia... Oh, wait, I've clicked on something, I don't know what I have clicked on. Oh, no! Oh, wait, yeah, enable the webcam. It's gonna take forever to load. Oh, it crashed. Not bad. Okay, so basically what I'm gonna do is, since I don't have possibility to connect it to Wi-Fi, is where this SD card slot is. I forgot. I think it's right there. Right there on the other side. No, it's on this side. So I just put my Nintendo 3DS SD card right into the computer. And with the multimedia thing, I guess, I don't know. Okay, now, where the heck is my SD card? That one? Yes, it's on that one. No, I don't care. Okay, so apparently it does support the SD card files of my 3DS. We have some screen captures from my favorite Animal Crossing game ever, being Animal Crossing New Leaf. Yeah, I don't really care, New Horizons fans. You can get as mad as you want. Animal Crossing New Leaf is the best. Oh, and this is Tomodachi Life. Guess that. Yeah, still Tomodachi Life. Okay. That. I don't even know what is this. Still Animal Crossing. Oh, this is New Year Eve event in French. Yeah, I will not show you this. Guess you won't care about that. But where are videos? Oh, these are the videos. Let me see them. Show me. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah, man. Let me explain this window. No, that one. Oh, yes. Now we're watching 3DS videos. Yes, baby. Okay, how about that one? How about that one, I said? Oh, this is my Wii Connect 24 Lite writing up. Why is there a binary file? Okay, why not? I guess that one. Oh, that's my Japanese Wii tour. I'm probably gonna upload this video soon on this channel. I hope you love hearing my fingers crack. Oh, bad idea. I punched the camera. What is that? Okay, yeah, why not? Is there any other videos? Come on. Show me your videos. Why is there binary file? Why? Why? My 3DS XL. Oh wait, I will try to set this up as my wallpaper. Set as wallpaper. Yes. It's slightly stretched, that's what makes it funnier. Oh, slightly stretched. It's literally a picture of this. Stretched. Like crazy. Yeah, anyway, let's get back into the pictures. It's still Animal Crossing with Isabelle. Oh yes. 2022. Good memories. Or was it 2023? I don't know, 2023 was a terrible year. Three other videos I haven't seen. Oh yes! That's my Nintendo account celebrating my birthday. Is there any other videos? I think there's the Wii one, or is it? Yes, there's the Wii birthday video. 2024, I guess? Yes, I should try to upload it. Tomodachi Life. Yes, Animal Crossing. Oh yes, the good old memories. With this old pixelated Isabelle. When she had soul before she sold her soul to Tom Nook. Yeah, I'm referring absolutely not to New Horizon. And soulless game. I guess we're done with my SD card. I really like this stretch wallpaper. What else can we use? Help? I need mental help. I think I'm gonna commit suicide. What is that? What is... Oh, that's my 3DS. Okay, all it did was just, alright. There's nothing to do much in utility. Kinda suck. I could hook this thing to Wi-Fi. Come on! That's all I have. Wait, I think my 3D SSD card, if I'm not sure, I don't know. There's also some audio files. Whoa. Flip notes! Creep. Those are flip notes. I know what I mean. Those are flip notes. That, of course, some of them may never have been uploaded. But, I don't even know what is that. Oh, MP3 files. Can I play them? I don't know if this one is copyrighted. In case of. It does! It does. Now, I don't know if this is copyright matched or not, so I'm gonna post this. No, I said pause. Oh, I don't know if this is copyright matched, but I got this from Windows 7 if you're asking. Oh. So I guess, guys, you didn't came here to click for... You got rickrolled! Losers! Okay, why not? There's some stuff I don't even know why I made. Animal Crossing New Leaf! Animal Crossing New Leaf! Animal Crossing New Leaf! I need to figure out what I'm doing here. What is this video all about? I guess we're gonna find some forgotten files. Is this supposed to be a review of Puppy Linux? Or is this supposed to be me browsing my SD card for no reason? I guess. Yeah, you know, I forgot just I kinda connected to the internet, so this review is kind of pointless. I guess, thanks for watching. I don't know what to say. Subscribe, like this video, leave a comment, and I see you soon on another one if I have another operating system. But subscribe.